Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to make this beautiful hair tie. I am going to use yarn of these three colors. These are acrylic 4-ply yarns, an elastic hair tie, a needle and thread of black color, 2 black beads for eyes, and I am going to use a hook of 2.5 mm for this project. I am going to begin with yarn of color A, and this is slip knot on my hook. Chain 3. Go back to the 4th chain, insert the hook in, pull through both the loops. Chain 1, this is a turning chain, we are not going to count this chain. Insert the hook into the ring, pull through 2, single crochet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Join these chains into the chain that we did earlier with slip stitch. Now chain 1, we are not going to count this chain. This is the turning chain. On the top of the 4th stitch, insert the hook in, pull through 2, single crochet 1, into the same stitch, single crochet 2. On the top of the next stitch, single crochet 1, into the same stitch, single crochet 2. So we have to do 2 single crochet on the top of each stitch across the round, and at the end of the round there should be 12 stitches. Complete the round and we will meet again when the round would be complete. After the end of the round, join the stitches into the chain that we did earlier with slip stitch. Chain 1, we are not going to count this chain. On the top of the next stitch, single crochet 1. On the top of the next stitch, single crochet 1. Into the same stitch, single crochet 2. On the top of the next stitch, single crochet 1. On the top of the next stitch, single crochet 1. Into the same stitch, single crochet 2. Follow the same pattern and complete the round. We will meet again when the round would be complete. When the round is complete, join the stitches into the 4th chain with slip stitch. Chain 1 again. On the top of the 4th stitch, single crochet 1. On the top of the next stitch, single crochet 2. On the top of the next stitch, single crochet 1. Into the same stitch, single crochet 2. On the top of the next stitch, single crochet 1. On the top of the next stitch, single crochet 1. On the top of the next stitch, single crochet 1. Into the same stitch, single crochet 2. Follow the same pattern and complete the round. We will meet again when the round would be completed. When the round is complete, cut the yarn from here. Now this is the front part of the flower. We have to make one more circle following the same pattern for the back part of the flower. So complete one more circle and we will meet again when these 2 circles would be complete. When these 2 rounds are complete, I am going to add these beads for the eyes of the flower. So just insert the beads in this way and sew on the top of the circle. Now take another bead and just sew it again on the top of the circle to complete the front part or the face of the flower. Now I'm going to begin making smile on the face of the flower. So for this I'm going to do just simple stitches to make smile on the face of the flower. So do these simple stitches and complete the smile to the half part of the face, and we will meet again when this smile would be completed. After these stitches are complete, just do these 2 stitches to complete the smile, and now cut the thread from here because the face of the flower is now complete. When the face of the flower is complete, I am going to show you how to make a beautiful bow. So for bow, switch to yarn of color B, and this is slip knot on my hook. Chain 1, 2, yarn over into the first chain, double crochet 1, chain 2, join the stitches into the chain 1 with slip stitch. Chain 2 again, yarn over into the first chain, double crochet 1, chain 2, join these stitches into the chain 1 with slip stitch. Cut the yarn a little long and insert yarn needle. Now wrap the yarn around this bow for 2 times. Now sew this bow on the top of the face of our flower. So now complete sewing this bow on the top of the flower. Now this bow is attached to the top of the flower. Now cut the yarn from here. When this front part of the flower is complete, I am going to sew this elastic hair tie on the back part of the flower with simple stitches. Now cut this thread from here. After sewing, fold this elastic hair tie, and now I am going to show you how to make petals around these circles. Put the face of the flower in this way. So I took yarn of color C, and now this is slip knot on my hook. Insert the hook into both the parts, pull through 2. Join the yarn with slip stitch. Chain 2, yarn over into the same stitch, double crochet 1, yarn over, insert the hook into both the stitches of both the parts, pull through, double crochet into the same stitch, 1 more double crochet, chain 2, again insert the hook into both the parts, pull through 2, chain 2 again, insert the hook into both the stitches of both the parts, pull through, double crochet 1 into the next stitch, insert the hook into both the stitches of both the parts, pull through, double crochet 1, yarn over, insert the hook into both the stitches of both the parts, pull through, double crochet 2, chain 2, join these stitches into the next stitch, chain 2 again. In this way, make the petals and join these 2 circles on the top of this elastic, and we will meet again when the flower would be completed. When more than half of the flower is complete, fill the filling in between these 2 circles. I filled my leftover yarn in between these 2 circles. Now complete making petals, and we will meet again when this hair tie would be completed. When the flower is complete, cut the yarn from here. Now this beautiful hair tie is complete. So now this is the beautiful pair of the hair tie. This is so quick and easy to make. You can make this beautiful hair tie for your daughter, or if you are looking for quick, easy and pretty gifts, then this can be a very good option. Thank you so much.